Today I want to do an update on this very small table saw. I thought I would do an update on some of the issues that I've had and what I did to correct those. The saw comes with this power adapter that can be adjusted from 12 volt up to 24 volts for different applications. For the saw you would use 24 volts. However, when you use this, if you put any stress on this saw at all, it will burn out the transformer. That happened to me twice. Once the company replaced it. The second time they wanted to charge me like $24.95 or something like that. So I realized it was just going to burn out again. Now it is fine for soft materials that are light duty, but if you get anything thick or heavy, you're going to burn out that transformer. I went to a local electronics store, explained to them my problem, and they suggested this air-cooled power supply, model number C-24-500. It's 24 volts, 500 watts. It looks like, I'm not sure the brand, EC ROHS, possibly. So you'll have to look into that. But it runs the saw amazingly well. So let me show you, and I'll cut a piece of wood. This is a piece of black walnut. It's 7/8 of an inch thick. And I'm just going to get a little cross cut on here. Now note, so that you could see, I've taken all the, any safety equipment, although this saw doesn't really have good safety equipment whatsoever. Now what I will do, I'm going to take and I'm going to cut these into strips. I use this black walnut in model shipbuilding. As you can see, I stressed the blade some because it only has a simple like rubber band pulley system to turn the blade. But when the blade stopped before, if that happens with the old transformer, it would instantly burn it up. So I got the cut that I wanted. I'll make a like a small bench out of this. I've also used it to cut oak that's 1/2 inch thick, and it did fine also. You do have to go slow. I'm not saying it's the best saw system in the world, but for small crafts, it's working out fine for me now that I've replaced that transformer. So that's my update on this mini table saw. I will put a link in the description of this video. It'll be through Amazon and you can check the price and see. This is Boiler Dan 1, and as always, thanks for watching.